Welcome to your CLS Weekly Market Review. I'm Scott Kuby, Chief Investment Strategist, joined this week by Portfolio Manager and Manager of Investment Research, Paula Week. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks. It's not Florida anymore like where we were the last time we were together.
No, the Oceanside was definitely a little nicer than here.
Let's just jump right into energy. Energy had a rough year last year. That's continued to a lesser degree this year. Where do you see, if we're still invested in energy, where do you see the opportunities?
Well, I think that energy definitely still looks attractive, especially given our stance on emerging markets. We think that emerging market growth is poised to improve over the course of the intermediate term. And most of the demand, reports have shown that most of the demand for oil is going to come from emerging market economies. And so given the nature of that, I think that we're just bound for improved prices in oil as well as other commodities.
You know, speaking of emerging markets, we've seen big differences in performance between the various regions within emerging markets. Where do you see the best opportunities right now?
Emerging Asia seems to be the most attractive right now. There's a couple of reasons. Relative valuations look more favorable, especially if you compare relative valuations for emerging Asia to Latin America. Also, we look at other statistics such as current account deficits and government budgets, and so a lot of those statistics appear pretty favorable for emerging Asia and even surprisingly emerging Europe as well.
Great, so safe and cheap. The last topic we want to discuss was the dollar. It's had a great run in recent months. Do you see that continuing?
It certainly could continue in the short term, but it does seem like it's a bit stretched, actually quite a bit stretched. So a couple of things we look at: purchasing power parity. So the dollar appears to be about 17% overvalued relative to its trading partners. In addition to that, the dollar, as far as investor sentiment, it seems pretty stretched, and that's usually a contrary indicator, maybe a sell signal. And so we're looking at those, those signals very closely. But we do still have a couple of hedged positions within the portfolios, and we're looking for opportunities to possibly tactically reduce those at some point.
Great update. That'll do it for this week. Thank you for your time and trust in CLS Investments.